Take your fitness to the next level with the power and performance you have come to expect from the #1 in-home fitness brand, the Premier 500 from ProForm. Use Bluetooth to connect your personal device and gain access to iFit's expansive library of videos, where some of the world's best trainers coach you from some of the most incredible places. And your treadmill will adjust the incline and speed to mimic the terrain, so you'll feel like you're actually there. The powerful 2.5 continuous horsepower motor packs the punch for even the most vigorous workouts. Adjust your speed from 0 to 10 miles per hour, or increase the intensity and burn more calories by changing the incline between 0 and 10%, all with the touch of a button. And keep your stats in front of you, from distance covered to calories burned on the multi-window LED display. And have access to your own devices while you work out using the integrated tablet holder with device grip design, so you never have to miss a beat. Move comfortably with the innovative ProShocks cushioning system, which will help you keep going for those long training sessions. And run with ease on the full-size 20 by 55-inch tread belt. Plug your personal device into the audio auxiliary port and move to the rhythm, played through the crystal clear set of 2-inch speakers. With 20 onboard workouts, all designed by certified professional trainers, you can do something different every day of the week. For a fast and reliable heart rate reading, simply grip the EKG sensors, conveniently built into the handlebars. The treadmill comes with precision machined 1.9-inch rollers, which reduce the noise and provide a better grip. With a strong and powerful frame, this treadmill is designed to accommodate up to 300 pounds. And it's built to last. Now is the time to reach your personal fitness goals. The Premier 500 treadmill from ProForm.
Commit to your health and fitness goals today and get the machine designed to help you get there. The City L6 treadmill from ProForm. There's never been a better time to get in the best shape of your life. Made easier with integrated coaching streamed directly to your connected devices. With access to iFit's amazing video library, you can run along with some of the world's best fitness trainers as they take you on a journey to exotic locations across the globe. Once you
Luxury meets performance with the pink ASUNA SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill. Supporting up to 220 pounds, the roomy treadmill deck is equipped with shock absorption technology that reduces the impact on your joints. Test your limits by dashing up to 8 miles per hour with the quick select buttons on the low-profile treadmill. Engage your thighs, hamstrings, glutes, and calves when you push yourself up 12 levels of automatic incline. Stay safe with the emergency stop clip as you check your heart rate instantly with the easily accessible pulse sensors. Then glance at the 6 bright LED screens that display your important workout data. Or control your in-workout media by plugging in via auxiliary cord or USB port for charging to listen to your favorite music via LED-lit speakers. Maintain a steady stride with the adjustable floor stabilizers. Then hop off onto the safety rails when you're finished. Transportation wheels and a foldable design make storage effortless. Work out in style with the pink ASUNA SpaceFlex motorized folding treadmill.
When I committed to starting my fitness lifestyle, I knew I needed a treadmill. That's when I found the ProForm Performance 300i. I love fun fitness tech, and this treadmill had everything I was looking for. Like the tablet holder. It's built into the console so I can keep all my favorite apps running. Figuring out what workout to do each day can be stressful. So subscribing to iFit was a no-brainer. I love the step-by-step workouts that take away all the pressure. It's easy to add fun programs to my exercise schedule, like 30 Days with Jillian Michaels, Backpack Europe, or Island Paradise. It really helps me stay motivated when I watch my distance, heart rate, time, and calories burned add up on the console screen. Walking or running on a treadmill is great for a lot of reasons. I love that it really pushes me to keep going at a steady pace. The strong motor powers my workout every day. Plus, the cushioning is unbeatable. Running outside used to make my feet and knees sore, but the Performance 300i has shock absorbers built into the deck to keep impact to a minimum. I can't stand tangled earbud cords, so I just plug in my iPod or MP3 player and the Performance 300i blasts my favorite music from the built-in sound system. It's nice to have options with my treadmill. Sometimes I just feel like walking, but other times I feel like sprinting. It's fun kicking up my speed up to 10 miles per hour to really max out my training. And the incline range really challenges my cardio and my legs. I love that the Performance 300i fits so well in my home. I just fold it up for easy storage when I'm done for the day. Fitness has never been so simple.
With ProForm Sport 7.0C Treadmill, taking charge of your health and fitness has never been easier. Have confidence that whatever your fitness goals, this treadmill will help you get there, with integrated coaching delivered directly to your own connected devices. Gain access to iFit's large library of exercise videos, and choose from some of the world's best-known fitness trainers as you run along in stunning locations, from the bustling streets of Paris to the pristine sands of Thailand. Make your choice, and your machine will automatically adjust speed and incline to match your chosen route. This treadmill comes with a solid construction and powerful motor to meet any fitness challenge. And with your coach in charge, all you have to do is follow along, and you'll get the most out of every workout. With Bluetooth connectivity, take your coach with you anywhere you go, and enjoy all that iFit has to offer, from guided weight training to yoga and so much more. Stream to your own connected devices. And once you're done with your workout, simply store your treadmill out of the way. This treadmill supports up to 300 pounds. With its innovative design and state-of-the-art technology, the Sport 7.0C Treadmill offers the no-compromise experience that only ProForm can deliver. So get yours today.